Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your retirement funds with Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current retirement portfolio. Review all your existing retirement accounts. Identify where your funds are currently invested. Determine your risk tolerance and investment goals. Research Charles Schwab's retirement fund options. Visit the Charles Schwab website to explore their offerings. Consider options such as traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and 401k rollovers. Evaluate the fees associated with each account type. Look for low-cost investment options, such as index funds and ETFs. Create an account if you don't already have one with Charles Schwab. Provide the required personal information during the sign-up process. Once your account is set up, link your existing retirement accounts. Choose how much money to transfer and from which accounts. Understand the tax implications of rolling over your funds. Consult with a tax advisor if necessary for clarification. Select your investment strategy based on your risk tolerance. Consider diversifying your investments to minimize risk. Utilize Schwab's tools for asset allocation and investment tracking. Set up automatic contributions if possible to ensure consistent growth. Regularly monitor your retirement funds through Schwab's online dashboard. Reassess your investment strategy at least once a year. Make adjustments based on market conditions or changes in your financial situation. Take advantage of Schwab's customer support for any questions. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your portfolio as needed. Begin planning for your retirement income needs early. Consult retirement planning resources available on Schwab's platform. Evaluate your withdrawal strategy well in advance of retirement. Make sure to understand required minimum distributions and tax implications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.